Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let's look at this problem related to circles, was asked in 2014. Let C be the circle with center at 1, 1 and radius 1. If T is the circle centered at 0, y passing through origin, that's a 0, 0 and touching the circle C externally, then the radius of T is equal to how much? So we have been given first a circle C. This is circle C with center at 1, 1 and radius equal to 1. So obviously we know that the center is at 1, 1, then this is 0, 1 and 1, 1. We are okay with that. If the circle is centered, there is another circle T. That circle is passing through origin. That means it's passing through 0, 0 and its center is on y-axis 0, y and it is touching circle C externally. This is circle T. Circle T is touching circle C externally. Then we have to find out what is the radius of T. So what is the key point to solve this problem? Approach is touching the circle externally. What is the meaning of touching the circle externally? If two circles touch each other externally, then we know that the distance between their centers, let us say here it is CT, the distance between their centers is nothing but equal to sum of their radius R1 plus R2. If I take this radius as R1 and this small radius as R2, then CT should be equal to R1 plus R2. Then only two circles will be touching each other externally. Now let us see. What is C coordinates? We know that C coordinates are nothing but 1, 1. So we have been given that. So we'll write down C equal to 1, 1. What is T? We have been told that T equal to 0, y. Then what is R1? R1 is given that radius is equal to 1. R2 we don't know, we have to find out. But we know that that is equal to y. How we know that R2 equal to y? Because the circle T is passing through 0, 0 and also center at 0, y. So from center to any point on the circle, the distance is nothing but radius. Here this point is 0, 0 and the center is at 0, y. Then the radius is nothing but equal to, it's a vertical line, so that's nothing but difference of y coordinates, that is y minus 0, which is equal to, so what we are saying now, 0, 0, 0, y, therefore R2 is equal to y minus 0, which is equal to y. So we know R2 equal to y. Now let's apply this formula. First we'll find out what is distance between CT. For that, the formula we use is distance between 2 points. Let us say this is x1, y1 and we have x2, y2. So the formula for distance between 2 points CT is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is equal to x2 minus x1, 0 minus 1 whole square, that is 1, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is equal to y minus 1 whole square. Now this is equal to R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2 is equal to y plus 1. Now we know that CT is equal to R1 plus R2. So we will square it on both sides and we'll write CT square equal to R1 plus R2 whole square. The idea is to take out that square root so that we will have y minus 1 whole square plus 1 is equal to y plus 1 whole square. If we simplify that, we will get y plus 1 whole square minus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. We know that a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square equal to 4ab. I can write down 4y equal to 1 or y equal to 1 by 4. So the center of the circle is 0, 1 by 4. Also the radius is also equal to 1 by 4, which is nothing but here R2. R2 is equal to 1 by 4. Let's summarize this problem. We have been given two circles. A circle C with center at 1, 1 and radius 1. There is another circle T which is externally touching this particular circle C, and also its center is at 0, y. It is also passing through origin 0, 0. So we have to find out what is the radius of the second circle. The logic or the approach is, the condition we are applying is the distance between the center of two circles, if they are touching externally each other, should be equal to sum of their radii. That means CT is equal to R1 plus R2. We know C coordinates 1, 1. We have been given T coordinates 0, y. We know R1 equal to 1. And we also know that RT equal to y, because the second circle center is at 0, y and it is passing through origin. That means 0, 0 is a point on the circle. Then the distance between 0, 0 and 0, y is nothing but the radius by definition. So R2 equal to y. Now we apply the formula CT equal to R1 plus R2 and square it on both sides, so that we can take out the square root. We get y equal to 1 by 4.